Hi everyone, welcome to Numeric Learning. In today's video, let us see a case study question from the chapter Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. First of all, let us read the question and let's try to understand the question thoroughly. Two schools P and Q decided to award prizes to their students for two games of hockey, rupees X per student, and cricket, rupees Y per student. School P decided to award a total of rupees 9,500 for the two games to 5 and 4 students respectively, while the school Q decided to award rupees 7,370 for the two games, 2, 4 and 3 students respectively. Okay, so there are two schools, namely P and Q, okay, and there are two games happening. One is, which is the first one, hockey. The winner will get rupees X. Okay, so every student winner of hockey will get rupees X, and every winner of cricket will be getting rupees Y. This prize money, we don't know how much the winners of hockey will get and how much the winners of cricket will get. We don't know that. So they have, in the question, they have given X and Y. X is a variable, Y is another variable. It can be any value. But what else is given? School P has decided to award a total of rupees 9,500. Now, the thing is, 9,500 is the amount that school P is allocating, that the school will give to 5 and 4 students respectively. That means 5 hockey and 4 cricket students. Okay. So 9,500 will be distributed among 5 hockey. So 5x, right? Hockey. Each winner of hockey will get X. So 5 of them, 5x. And 4 to 4, right? 4 students respectively. So 4 means 4 cricket. So 4y. So is this clear? So school P has decided to give an award of total of 9,500 for the two games to 5 and 4 students respectively. So what does it mean, 5 and 4 students respectively? Hockey, 5 hockey and 4 cricket respectively. The same way, the school Q has also decided to award a total of 7,370. Okay, so how much is it? 7,370 is the money that school Q will be giving to how many students? 4 and 3 students respectively. 4 means 4 hockey. So 4x plus 3y respectively. Is it clear? Okay. Now, what is the first question? Represent the following information algebraically in terms of x and y. So this is what we have done here. Okay. So how will you start writing? Let the amount given for hockey be rupees X as given. Okay. And the amount given for cricket, let it be rupees Y. So according to the question, okay, we are just going to write what we wrote here. 5x plus 4y will be equal to 9,500. That means the amount given by school P. Okay, and 4x plus 3y will be equal to 7,370. So this is the information that is given in English sentences, and what we have just done is we have translated or we have converted the English sentence into mathematical expressions or algebraic expressions. That's all we have done. So this is the first question. The second one, part A. What is the prize amount for hockey? For hockey, what is the prize amount? It is X. So we have to solve for X. Okay, let us solve for x. So what is the first thing that you will do? Let us multiply. Okay, so let's go with either substitution or elimination method. Let's go with elimination method. So let me write it again. So this is question number A. Question number 2, part A. Prize money for hockey is asked. That is x is asked. So let's eliminate y. Okay. So 5x plus 4y equal to 9500 and 4x plus 3y equal to 7370. Okay, what we can do is we have to eliminate y because we need x. We need the prize money for hockey, right? X we need. So what we will do, multiply this with 3, multiply this with 4, so that, and then we'll subtract it. Okay, so when you multiply the first equation with 3, what you get? 15x plus 12y equal to, again 0 0 to 15 5 1 28. Okay, 2850, 28,500. And when you multiply the second equation by 4, what do you get? 16x plus 12y equal to 0 7 4 28 8 2 12 13 14 4 1 29. Right? Let's subtract it. So when you subtract it, what happens? Y gets cancelled. So 15x minus 16x, it is minus x, is equal to, let us subtract, okay, 29480 minus 28500. 8, again 14, so 980. 980. This will be minus, minus will get cancelled. X is nothing but your 980. Okay, so what is x here? What is x here? X is the prize money for hockey. Every winner of the hockey will be getting rupees 980. Okay, so let's write that clearly. So the prize amount or prize money given for hockey will be equal to rupees 980. Okay, per student, per winner or per student. Okay, you have to specify that. Now next question. Okay, so we are done with this and second. Prize amount on each game, on which game is more and by how much amount. So for that you have to, is x greater or y greater? For which of the two games is the prize amount more? So for that you have to calculate y as well. Now that we know x, let us substitute x in any one of the equations. Okay, so let's substitute in the first one. Okay, so this is your in the second question, this is your part B. Okay, so since x is known, let us substitute in 5 multiplied by 980 plus 4 by, I am substituting it in the first equation, 9500. Okay, so let's multiply 0, 8 5s are 40, 0, 4, 9 5s are 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay, 4 9 plus 4y equal to 9500. So 4y equal to 9500 minus 4900, right? So 0, 0, 15, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6 and then 4. Okay. So y is equal to 4600 divided by 4. What will you have? So 4 ones are 4. Again 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, 0. So your y is nothing but 1150. And what is what is y? It is the prize money given for cricket. Okay, so let's write it. The prize money given for cricket will be rupees 1150 per student. You have to write it really clearly. Okay, all these steps are very important. Okay, now that you know the prize money for cricket and hockey, both the x and y unknowns have been found out. Prize money on which game is more and by how much? Which is more? Cricket is more, right? And by how much? Find out the difference. You have to write prize money for cricket is more and you have to subtract 1150 minus 980. Okay, so 0, 15, 0, again 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 and then 170. Right? So you have to write, how should you write it in the sentence? The prize money, the prize money for cricket is more than hockey by how much? Rupees 170. So this is how clearly you have to write for the 2B question. Next one. What will be the total prize amount if there are 2 students each from 2 games? Okay. So if you have, how much will be the prize money? Okay, that somebody will have to spend, that either P or Q school will have to spend if there are 2 students each from the 2 games. So very easy, right? So the last question, that is your third part, will be total prize money if there are 2 students from hockey and 2 student winners from the cricket. So 2 into 980 plus 2 multiplied by 1150. Let's calculate it. So 0, 16, 1, 18, 19 plus again 0, 1, 3, 2. So just add it up. 2300 plus 1960. So when you add, okay, the answer is 4260. So this will be the total prize if there are 2 winners from each games. Okay, from each of the games. Okay, so this is a very clear, a very good question. Of course, it will take you some time because you'll have to understand the question and write each one of them. But it's a very, very easy question. Just that you have to, please do write the steps. And when you're calculating when you're subtracting 2 numbers, these basic calculations when you're doing, make sure you're not making any mistakes. Okay, so we will do more of these case-based questions from each of the units. If you find this video useful and the way I teach helpful, please do subscribe, please do comment, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you.